Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about how herbs can help boost your immunity and keep you healthy. With cold and flu season upon us, it's important to take care of our health and find natural ways to stay strong. And that's where herbs come in. 1. Herbs for better immunity. There are many herbs that have been used for centuries to improve immunity and fight off illness. Here are some of the most popular. Echinacea. Echinacea is often used to prevent and treat colds and other upper respiratory infections. Elderberry. Elderberry has been shown to have antiviral properties and can help reduce the duration of cold and flu symptoms. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and is also a natural decongestant, making it great for boosting immunity and relieving symptoms of cold and flu. Garlic. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, and can help improve the body's ability to fight off illness. 2. How to use herbs for better immunity. There are many ways to incorporate these herbs into your daily routine to improve your immunity. Tea. Brew a tea using one or more of these herbs to enjoy a warm, soothing drink that also helps boost your immunity. Supplements. Take herbal supplements, such as echinacea or elderberry capsules, to get the benefits of these herbs in a concentrated form. Cooking. Add herbs, such as ginger and garlic, to your cooking to incorporate their health benefits into your daily diet. 3. Precautions. While herbs can be a great way to improve immunity, it's important to keep in mind that they can also interact with certain medications and may not be safe for everyone. It's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding any new herbs to your routine, especially if you have any health conditions or take any medications. Conclusion. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned about the many ways that herbs can help improve your immunity and keep you healthy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to live a healthier and happier life.